kids, if you're seeing this, I'm dead.
Good morning. I got these jammies. Zach keeps making fun of me. I look like a postage stamp, I think, but I like them. What do you think? Say, Dada,
Dada,
Mama,
Mom,
Papa.
Papa.
Is that your face? Yeah. Okay, are you ready? I've been told that I look like a stamp. I feel like I'm giving like Fiesta Olay vibes. Like I like it, but it's a little loud, but I really like it. It's like a matching set. You can just get like the shorts. So what I liked about these is they can be super high-waisted and they still like have some elastic, like they could be tighter. So I think when I am skinny again, they'll fit. So full disclosure, trigger warning, I want to talk about weight for a second. So I gained 55 pounds both times I was pregnant. So with Bear, before I got pregnant, I think I weighed around like 145, 150. I weighed like 200, 205 when I gave birth. And then with Coda, I was around like 150 when I got pregnant. And I gained like up to 200. I was 200 pounds, I think, almost 200, maybe like 195 when I gave birth. And so right now I'm around like 175, 180. I've lost 20 pounds, which obviously I don't have a baby inside of me anymore. So yeah, duh. But a lot of it is like weight that you gain because I was eating a lot of sugar. I don't regret anything. So it'll be a minute, and then I think like my body just likes to hold on because I'm not like, I'm eating way less than I was because I'm not making a human anymore. But I think my body is holding on to a lot of weight because I'm breastfeeding, and I'm breastfeeding like basically on demand around the clock. So my body has other priorities. And so it wasn't until my first Bear started solids that I started to lose weight and feel like my normal self again. So I'm thinking that'll be about the same as this time. So we'll see. I have tried to exercise. It's okay. I took a video. I did a Pilates workout yesterday. I was horrified. I did this Pilates video that I used to love. I did it like once a week, every week for like years. And there's a part where you do like football feet. So like you're like in the stance and you're doing like football feet. And I thought I was like doing okay. Like not great, but like okay. And then I watched it back and I was like, she's struggling. It was not. Anyways, back to the haul. So this is one of the sets. These were the khakis. They kind of look grandma-y, but I don't care. I just need something I can wear out with a cute top and still access my boobs so I can breastfeed my baby. And then I got these other two. These are super cute. I got these. They have like little, I don't know, sunshines on them. And these have like the matching top, but I'm not a huge matching pajama set person. I mean, I like it, but I like to wear just like a sports bra. I love to wear like a sweatshirt or sweater. So I didn't feel like I really needed to get them. And then these, like a pink and red, just stripe moment. I thought they were cute. And I like them because they have like the high cut. That's pretty cute. So this is my mini haul. Enjoy. Yeah. What'd you color? I was putting Coda down and he broke my necklace. I didn't realize he had a death grip on it. I bought that when I had you, Bubba. Daddy drew a kitty cat. Kit Kat. Is it a turtle? gonna play in the water. Bear, can you color? Thank you. Uh-oh. So I got Bear down for a nap. Bear's down for a nap. Zach's staying with him, and Coda and I are on our way to a secret mission. It's not like secret to Zach or anything. I haven't shared it yet with y'all, so just be on the lookout for the next like video or so. I think we'll have it there. Anyways, but I'm not sure what we'll get up to the rest of the day. Nothing like too crazy, but yep, let's just check it out. Bye. So we just went for a walk. It is so hot, and we are doing another splash bath. We already did one this morning, but we're going to do it again because it's really hot, and it's only 4 o'clock, so you got a while till dinner. So we figured we'd spend some time outside. And Zach went ahead. He's trying to get 10,000 steps a day, so he is still walking. And so it's me and my baby. And just to be clear, so there's no like misconception about like, I'm not really an outdoorsy person. I do not like being hot. I do not like sweating, but I do work out. I do spend time outside with my kids because it's better for everybody. I want them to have the kind of life that's like not in front of a screen, and I want us to spend like all the weekends outside and doing fun things and making memories as a family. And so I will suffer. And it's not that terrible. It's fun to watch them, but like, I can't say I love being sweaty and gross. You want to do it?